When we think of self-care, the mind often goes straight to bubble baths, face masks, and a little extra time to unwind. But there's one important part of the body that's often overlooked in these rituals: the vagina. Just like the rest of your body, your vaginal area deserves a little extra attention and care. But what does it mean to give your vagina a spa day, and why is it so important? Let's explore the reasons, the myths, and the gentle, empowering ways you can indulge in a little self-love for this sensitive and vital part of your body. First, it's important to understand that the vagina is a self-cleaning organ. It has its own natural balance of good bacteria, called the vaginal microbiome, which helps maintain its health and protect against infections. Over-cleansing or using harsh products can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to irritation, dryness, and even infections. So when we talk about a spa day for your vagina, we aren't suggesting fancy soaps or perfumed washes. Instead, we're talking about holistic care that supports your comfort, confidence, and overall well-being. Why does your vagina deserve a spa day? For starters, it's a part of your body that works hard for you every day. From menstruation to sex, childbirth to menopause, the vaginal area is resilient and constantly adapting. But it's also vulnerable to stress, hormonal changes, tight clothing, and even the detergents in your laundry. Taking time to pamper this area isn't just about luxury, it's about health, comfort, and self-respect. Let's begin with hygiene. The number one rule is to keep it simple. Clean the vulva, the external part of the genitals, with warm water. If you'd like, you can use a gentle, unscented soap on the outer areas, but it's best to skip anything with fragrance or harsh chemicals. Avoid douching entirely, as it can upset the natural balance inside the vagina and actually increase your risk for infections. Pat dry with a soft towel, and remember that less is more when it comes to cleansing. Next, consider the power of moisture. Just as your face and body love a good moisturizer, so does your vulva. If you experience dryness, especially during or after menopause, you can use a fragrance-free, hypoallergenic moisturizer specifically designed for this sensitive area. Natural oils, like coconut or vitamin E oil, can also be soothing, but always do a patch test first to be sure you don't react. Keeping the area hydrated can reduce itching, discomfort, and irritation. A spa day is also about relaxation, and one of the best ways to relax your pelvic area is with a warm sitz bath. This is simply sitting in a shallow basin or bathtub filled with warm, not hot, water for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can add a small handful of Epsom salts if you wish, but avoid any scented bath bombs or soaks. The sitz bath can soothe soreness, reduce inflammation, and give you a quiet moment for yourself. Don't forget the power of the right clothing. Tight synthetic underwear or pants can trap moisture and heat, increasing your risk for irritation and infection. For your spa day, slip into loose, breathable cotton underwear or go commando under a soft robe, letting the area breathe. At night, sleeping without underwear can further help keep things cool and comfortable. If you want to take your spa day to the next level, consider gentle grooming. If you choose to remove pubic hair, opt for methods that are less likely to cause irritation, such as trimming with scissors or using an electric trimmer. If you shave or wax, be sure to use a clean razor, shave in the direction of hair growth, and apply a soothing, fragrance-free moisturizer afterward. Remember, hair removal is a personal choice. There's no health requirement to do it, and leaving hair natural can actually provide extra protection for the sensitive skin underneath. Pelvic floor health is another crucial aspect of vaginal wellness. Gentle pelvic floor exercises, often called Kegels, can strengthen the muscles that support your bladder, uterus, and rectum. To do them, simply contract the muscles you'd use to stop the flow of urine, hold for a few seconds, then release. Repeat several times. Strong pelvic floor muscles can improve sexual satisfaction, prevent incontinence, and support overall core strength. Your spa day can be the perfect time to reconnect with these important muscles. Your spa day can also include a check-in with your body and mind. Take a few moments to look at your vulva with a hand mirror, noticing any changes or areas of concern. This helps you become more familiar with what's normal for you. making it easier to spot anything unusual in the future. If you notice persistent itching, unusual discharge, sores, or pain, it's important to consult a healthcare provider. Mindfulness and body positivity are powerful tools for vaginal wellness. Many people grow up feeling shame or embarrassment about their genitals. It's time to change that narrative. During your spa day, practice gratitude for all your body does for you. Acknowledge your vagina as a source of pleasure, strength, and health. Let go of unrealistic standards set by media or pornography. Every vulva and vagina is unique, and there is no normally appearance. Don't forget to consider your lifestyle choices as part of vaginal self-care. Stay hydrated. Eat a balanced diet rich in probiotics like yogurt, and avoid excessive sugar, which can encourage yeast infections. If you're sexually active, use protection and communicate openly with partners about boundaries and health. After sex, urinate to help flush out bacteria and reduce the risk of urinary tract infections. As you finish your self-care ritual, remember that the most important ingredient is self-love. Your vagina deserves respect, attention, and care, not because it's a problem to be fixed, but because it's an integral, beautiful part of who you are. By making time for gentle, mindful care, you're not just supporting vaginal health, you're reinforcing your own worth and well-being. So, the next time you plan a spa day, don't forget your vagina. With a little knowledge, some gentle practices, and a whole lot of self-acceptance, you can nurture this essential part of yourself and celebrate the wisdom and strength of your body. After all, every part of you deserves to be cherished, inside and out.